So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So this is going to be our movement for the week on our Euro JPY. So before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the week, first let's start with the trend. Remember guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is, right? And we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis. What is the trend? Then it is once when we know the trend that we can now predict, right? So but before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing, right? To those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here. What can you say the trend is on your EURJPY? This is very clear. EURJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move, right? So market is very much bullish. So this is to tell you that whatever thing you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, you would want to be going in for the buy, right? The bullish move is what you should be expecting on your EURJPY. That is exactly what you should be expecting, right? So this is it right here. Impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase, the pullback phase. This is also the impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase, which is also the corrective phase, right? Then this is the impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. Another impulsive move. This is the pullback phase right here. Now market was able to push up to give us another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. Market then did push up again to give us another impulsive move. Here is our pullback right here. So market has given us a pullback, and this is what another impulsive move that eventually took out this previous high, thereby giving us a new higher high. Now this is the pullback phase right here. Now that we've gotten this pullback, our next movement on EURJPY will be another impulsive move that should eventually take out this high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the week on our EURJPY. EURJPY should actually be giving us a bullish move for the week, right? So 2 weeks ago, right here, markets opened and closed bullish. Last week, which is the week that just ended, markets also opened and closed bullish. So this coming week, we should expect markets to also open and close bullish. So this coming week should be a bullish move for us on our EURJPY. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here, guys. So this is the daily time frame. This is a multiple rejection at this zone right here. We are having a multiple rejection at this zone, thereby giving us multiple rejection. So market has been coming to tap this level, rejecting from this level multiple times, right? Market has been rejecting from the support level multiple times before it eventually push up, right? Came here, rejected multiple times, then push up to break the neckline. After it broke the neckline, right, markets eventually give us a pullback. With this pullback, we should expect market to push up again, see it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that the next movement on our EURJPY should be a bullish move, right? We should be expecting that bullish move on our EURJPY. Now, let's go down to the forward time frame. Market is just giving us this corrective wave right here. This is just a corrective wave. Once this corrective wave is over, we should expect market to eventually push up. So this is to tell you that, guys, very simple. A bullish move is what we should be expecting on EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, it's very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.